Okay, here we are. This is the second bedroom on the first floor, and we call this the coral and yellow room. And as you can see, I got the desk, the nightstand, got the box spring for the bed. Looky, we got all that icky old fabric off, carpet off the floor. So the hardwood floors, they're not in horrible shape. So we'll be working on those, and I decided we're gonna replace that air conditioner, so it'll really be maximum efficiency. And this is a really cool chair, but I ordered a slip cover for it, so excuse me. So it'll be really pretty. But as you can see, this room is coming along. Yes, the contractor has to paint the ceiling because I did a lot of overspray trying to pick colors. But I really like this room because it's so bright and sunny and airy. And you can look out the window, wake up in the morning and like, wow. It's like you're in a garden. Really, that whole total country shabby chic. It's got built-in bookshelves, or if you don't want to do books, you could do like little knickknacks and curios. You got the built-in humongous closet, and I put the dresser in there so it would take up less space in the room. This is a really big room, so it's almost done. We got a little more work to do, and I think it's gonna be fabulous. So yay, so happy. It's taking so much work. Has another bedroom window, and you can look out into the garden, which we're still working on. Everything's a work in progress, so I'm glad you guys are enjoying, keeping track of the updates. And big closet, really big closet. Once again, hardwood floors, don't look that bad. Got a little bit of work. They're still pulling out pieces, and that's the desk. I'm gonna paint the top, and all will be groovy. Okay, so thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.